Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zendesk AI for smarter ticket routing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Zendesk official website. Log into your Zendesk account using your credentials. Once logged in, find the admin icon in the left sidebar. Click on the admin icon to access the admin settings. In the admin panel, look for the Apps section. Select Marketplace from the drop-down menu under Apps. In the Marketplace search bar, type Zendesk AI. Click on the Zendesk AI application from the search results. You will be directed to the app page. Here, click on the Install button. Review the permissions required by the application. If you agree, confirm the installation by clicking Install again. Once installed, navigate back to the admin panel. Find the Business Rules section in the sidebar. Click on Triggers to set up your ticket routing. Create a new trigger by clicking on the Add Trigger button. Set the conditions for the trigger based on your routing needs. Next, choose the actions that will occur when the conditions are met. Specifically, select Assign to and choose the AI routing option. After configuring your trigger, save the settings. Go to the Workflows section next. Look for Routing and click to configure ticket routing. Select your preferred settings for intelligent ticket distribution. Save your routing configurations. Finally, test the new setup by creating a sample ticket. Monitor how tickets are assigned to ensure the AI is functioning correctly. Make any necessary adjustments based on the test results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.